Away they go. Banay, Banay, fast to begin, not to express. Lover of all is racing in third, one Bahamas Star of Manel, while Strong Boy is the early trailer by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. Banay, Banay by half a length, followed by Not to Express. Lover of all is racing in third, and racing from the outside is Star of Manel. Nearing the last 500 meters more to run, Banay Banay by half a length, followed by Not to Express. Star of Manel is racing in third, and Lover of All as they race the final corner. Banay Banay by some 2 lengths, followed by Star of Manel. Lover of All is racing by Darrell, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run, Banay Banay by Haleng and a half, followed by Star of Manel. Lover of All down on the inside, and finally going to be close. Lover of All, Banay Banay, Star of Manel, Not to Express, one Bahamas, and Strong Boy.